This is iPhone 7, the phone by which all other smartphones are compared.
And with iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, we're moving to connecting them over Lightning. Now, we know there are people in the world who do have some analog, old, connected devices out there. So we've also made this. It's an adapter, Lightning to Mini Phono audio adapter. And we're going to include that in the box with every iPhone 7 and 7 Plus as well. We are so excited to show you a new product from Apple called Apple AirPods. And it makes no sense to tether ourselves with cables to our mobile devices. But until someone takes on these challenges, that's what we do. The new enclosure in iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus are water and dust resistant. There's now two 12-megapixel cameras built in the iPhone 7 Plus.
The first Apple Watch was splash-proof, and Apple Watch Series 2 is swim-proof. Two of the most popular activities in the world are walking and running, and we know there's times that people want to do this without their phone, and so for those times, we've added built-in GPS.